Endosulfan is basically a chemical which has been used in the agricultural industry for the last 60 years. I mean, if it's been used for such a long time, there might be certain reasons why it's being used for so long. Basically, I mean, now Europe suddenly after 60 years has decided to ban it. Now people need to analyze the reasons as to why this is happening. Endosulfan basically helps us a lot in the agricultural industry by helping pollination. Because of pollination, pollination is one of the main reasons why we have so much food, and India produces a lot of agricultural products. I think banning endosulfan without knowing the right reasons is something which cannot be done. First, the correct reasons need to be analyzed and then debated on based on the pros and cons. You can decide. Personally, from my knowledge as a from my knowledge in the field of chemistry in this institute, I mean, we know about the pros and cons of UNESCO has announced 2011 as a year of chemicals, and basically it's more about educating the world about the chemistry of different important chemicals which are used to manufacture products which are very important for us. Endosulfan is one such chemical which has a lot of misconceptions about it. It's actually a very unique chemistry in the sense it actually attacks the pests and does not harm the bees in any way. So in a way it actually promotes pollination. So I think the chemistry of endosulfan is something which is really good and should be retained.